Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can apply the new effect from CapCut, that's Blu-ray scanning. So first you can open the CapCut apps and tap on your project, select your videos or photos that you like to edit. Right, and for example, I'm just going to open my project that so there is a photo here, and to add the Blu-ray just click effect, select video effect, and here's you can find the Blu-ray. So sorry, no, scroll down. Here's the Blu-ray, just download it and click on it again to adjust for the glow, blur, intensity, speed, and then range, and then just click check mark and you can see for the final result. So this applies to the video as well. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.